As promised, this video will show you how to 1. Find the agenda for your team meetings for the first time. 2. How to submit an agenda item. 3. How to filter out all the completed items so that your list is shorter. And then 4. How to make a shortcut on your desktop if you're using a PC so that you can find the agenda a lot faster. So let's start out by finding the agenda for the first time. You're going to want to go to Google, and then you're going to want to choose your Google Drive. Up here in the search area, I have given you access to the agenda already. So all you need to do is type in your team name. So let's say it's Team 601, and agenda will actually pop up for you automatically. Double click, and you'll be able to see the agenda. Currently, there are 3 items listed. We're going to add a 4th one right now. First up, go to the status area. You'll see a gray arrow. Click on it. And since this is a new item, we're going to select new by clicking on it. Next, we want to list the person who's making the item. In this case, we'll use Mary Mackin, since I'm not listed. And then finally, you're going to simply type in a description of the agenda item so that you can tackle it come Tuesday morning. We're going to just put demo for right now. Now, I want you to notice once I click return or tab, the date of submission will automatically populate. So let's click tab, and you notice the date comes up. The action piece will be filled out at your team meeting. Now, as you go along in the year, items that were in progress will eventually become completed, and new items will become in progress. Your list would get quite long after a while, so what we want to do is filter out the completed ones so that we just see the ones that are in progress or new. We're not going to erase the completed ones. We want to have, a journal of them, but we want to kind of hide them. To do that, the first step is we have to select our whole sheet up here in the left-hand corner. We click on it, and you notice how it turns blue. Then we're going to go up to this little icon that looks like a funnel. It's called a filter. And when I click it, you'll notice that these little down triangles are at the top of our columns. We're going to click the down arrow or down triangle under status. And since we want to get rid of completed, we're going to unselect it and then click OK. When we click OK, you'll notice that the completed disappear. So let's say later on in the week, Mike Diggins completes this one. So he goes and updates it. But when we come back to the web page, we want this to disappear. How do we do that? Well, all you need to do is go in to your filter and then just click OK, and it'll update it automatically for you. Finally, maybe I want to go back and look at all the things that we did for the year because I want to check up on something. You can, again, select completed, click OK, and you say, well, where are the items? Well, the list is starting to get so long that they're kind of hidden. You've got to actually go up or use your scroll bar to go further up. And if you do that, you'll see that they are all there. Okay, finally, how can I make a shortcut so I can do this quick? Because I don't have a lot of time, but I do want to get my items up there so we can run our meetings quickly and efficiently. Here's how you do it. You're going to click share up here, this blue button. Then there's a link to get to this document. I'm going to copy the link by clicking this copy link button, which sends it to the clipboard. Then I'm going to go to my desktop. You can click anywhere on your desktop by right-clicking on it, choose new, and then you'll see a button that says shortcut. Click on it. Here they're going to ask you, what's the address? Where is it located? Well, we just copied it to our clipboard, so now we'll just paste it by right-clicking inside the box and choosing paste. Finally, we just need to name this link, so we're going to choose next. They want the name for this shortcut, so we're going to call it Team 601 Agenda Link. When I click finish, it's going to create a little icon here. And to get to my agenda now, all I have to do is click on this little link. And it takes me directly there. Hope this helps. If you have any other questions, feel free to contact me. Thank you.